Welcome to Tier 3. You already fix things fast. This course is about a different skill entirely, finding the true root cause and engineering a fix that holds across the whole fleet. In this first lesson, we'll reset how you think about an incident, the difference between a symptom and a root cause, and how to build evidence that survives being challenged. Here's the mental shift. At Tier 1 and 2, your job was speed. Restore the user, close the ticket, move on. At Tier 3, the unit of work changes completely. You're no longer paid to make a symptom vanish. You're paid to find why it happened and make sure it never happens to the rest of the fleet. That means evidence over instinct, and elimination over guessing. The biggest trap is treating a mitigation as a fix. Restarting a hung service, clearing a cache, reimaging a machine, these all restore service. But if you cannot say why it broke, you've only bought time. The fault is still sitting latent in every other machine on the fleet, waiting. A mitigation is not a fix. Every incident has 3 layers. The symptom is what the user reports, VPN drops. The proximate cause is the immediate technical trigger, the service faults when the adapter renegotiates. The root cause is the underlying condition that allowed that trigger to exist and recur, a driver pushed without version pinning. Tier 2 fixes proximate causes. Tier 3 eliminates root causes. Good investigation is an elimination game, not a confirmation hunt. State each theory as a falsifiable hypothesis, a claim that a specific test could prove wrong. Then run the cheapest test that kills the most hypotheses first. Resist running the test that confirms your favorite theory. Confirmation bias is the single biggest time sink in root cause analysis. Start every investigation with a baseline timeline. Use get-win event, that's get-win event, to pull the system log, filter to errors and criticals, and sort by time created. Now you can line those events up against the moment the user says the symptom happened. Always establish what normal looks like before you go chasing what's broken. Your findings will get questioned, by vendors, by management, by the next engineer. So make them defensible. Capture exact timestamps so you can correlate across logs, dumps, and traces. Hash any artifact you rely on, using getFileHash with SHA-256, so nobody can claim it was altered. If another engineer can't rebuild your reasoning from your notes, you have a story, not a root cause. Sometimes the cause simply can't be proven with the evidence you have. The mark of maturity is the bounded unknown. You document every hypothesis you tested, what ruled it out, the monitored mitigation you applied, and exactly what new data would let you resume, say, a fresh memory dump. That's honest engineering. An abandoned ticket labeled intermittent is not. Let's recap. An incident has 3 layers: symptom, proximate cause, and root cause, and Tier 3 eliminates the root. Investigate by elimination, with falsifiable hypotheses and the cheapest test first. Make your evidence reproducible with exact timestamps and file hashes. Your task: take a real recurring incident, write a 1-page RCA scope with at least 3 falsifiable hypotheses, rank the cheapest disproving test for each, pull a system event timeline, hash one artifact, and conclude with either a proven root cause or an explicitly bounded unknown. See you in Lesson 2.